mud pit.
Want to close this?
No, it's okay. Don't need to.
No, the last one stuff on it, when you be happy.
Ram, don't drink the water. Not good for you.
Are you serious?
Let some fresh air in.
Well, last time I came here, I was miserable. Miserable.
Yeah, you gotta.
I was not enjoying it at all.
You got a hangover.
You forced me to come. It was not.
You know you gotta go jeeping, right? No matter if you get hangover or not.
No, I don't. I don't want to do it. I had no my feel like I'm not feeling well. I'm not coming.
You gotta toughen up. Come on.
I'm not enjoying this nature. Nothing. Oh, you're gonna have the water splash in your face. Splash in your face.
Ooh. It's okay. Not too bad. Just a hill, that's all.
Just go straight and go with this. I've seen worse than this.
We've seen worse than this.
I mean, kinda not. I've seen worse, but in the video. Oh shit. It was on the whole time.
Tàu Utah trail something probably not as tough as, I mean, it's not as bad as this for the sightseeing trail.
Crazy. Whoa.
Scared?
No, I'm not scared. I'm also scared of the car. I mean, this is not too deep down there.
No, it's not bad.
Saying.
See like tree next to you like that, you gotta go slow.
If I stop for you should stop. Just go, keep going.
I don't want to bounce the car and hit something at the bottom. So you gotta go slow. Look, there's a lake. Somebody has a nice house on the lake.
Wow, big house right there. In the middle of nowhere. And they have their own lake just for themselves. There's a few houses over there.
Pinstriping.
Scraping?
Adding more new pinstriping. Man, I thought we'd hit something.
Yo, mosquito, yo.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad until you get there.
The zig and the zag is not bad. This teaches us to go on Black Bear Pass. Ooh, look at this tree here.
The black bear did that. Well, I spent 2 hours already. We left around 10 o'clock. Now it's like almost 12, so almost 2 hours. So far. Ooh, that scraping thing. Not happy to hear it.
Oh, it's okay, right?
Yeah, you're fine.
Coming up here too. Once you get your Jeep right behind the other Jeep, if you want to come up and
Go
take a
on,
look
I'll
at
put it
this,
in my room.
we'll get everybody through it.
Size fine. Size okay.
Nice tree.
Slowly go. It's fine. Slow
Shit,
down
that was
here.
crazy.
Okay, you're good. Going up. Now you're gonna go off from there. You're good.
Woohoo!
Now this part right there is kind of scary.
Yeah, baby. No locker.
Why did I stop here? Oh, okay. Can you do that?
Look on that side, honey. Open the window.
When you go to the right side, you can go right up, right a little bit more. Okay, good. Straight, go straight all the way. Oh! Okay, fine. Go straight. I'm playing.
Straight. Okay. Straight. Okay. Woo!
That was crazy.
When you open these, don't be careful. Don't lose anything.
Good. Is it ready for you? Is it ready for you?
stick your hand out, okay?
I don't.
Start recording.
Let's just keep disconnecting.
Push record here.
No, it's recording now.
Oh, good.
Even though it's disconnected, but it's still recording somehow. I don't know. Why don't you put the?
Whoa, I'm taking down the tree.
Oh, you're good. Whew.
That's the issue right there.
Yeah. He got back up. He should back up a little bit. Sliding over there. Yeah, that's why everybody's slipping right there.
It's slipping.
Yeah, it's not on a rock. That's why. Just
Oh
keep
shit.
flat.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go the other way.
Yeah, no choice. Oof.
It's the rear tire that got stuck.
Yeah.
It's the rear tire that holding you up.
So
So
you gotta
maybe you
back
have
it
to
up.
bump over that.
Oh, you're gonna hit that thing on its bottom part. It's deep. Oof. But you gotta go to the right a little bit, so I'm gonna go over the rock. I think.
No, we're going over where he going.
But if you don't do right, you're gonna slip for him.
If you go to right, our Jeep is so big, it's hard to turn.
Oh, maybe you own the right decision. You go to the right a little bit and go on top of that. Go straight up. And go on top.
I'm going right side.
No, go straight. So go straight. See, same spot. Go to the right. I told you to go to the right a little bit. I told you. To the right a little bit.
Gotta hump over that thing.
Go straight. Now go straight. Shit. Go back. And then you go to the right a little more on purpose. And then go. Go to the right. Back a little bit more.
Like that?
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Woohoo!
Crazy.
Because your tires are in a different position.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn, is that the shark right there? That thing. Shark? Like, cái quy bên này. Damn scraping. Crazy that.
I'm gonna park right here.
Jeez. Go to the back behind that thing.
Yeah, we can park right here.
Oh, I think you got a good stop there. Oh, it's okay. He made it.
Going down to help.
Yeah, because push the jeep go over it. good. Ooh, perfect. See, you have to know how to do it.
Thoát không?
Nice, you have to set up. It's not connecting. It is connected.
Going over this baby.
That's serious. Ooh, we almost hit the wheel, almost. So close. No.
Shit.
Go to the left a little bit because you're gonna hit
No,
that.
I'm going over that.
Whatever, yeah, big. Alright, anyway. It's a hot time to get up there.
Okay, taking a hard left.
John, yes. Tại một con.
Mệt. No.
Không là tự nhiên nó che lời bộ sự mà bật ổi.
No, it's okay. We're taking a drink.
Còn you, not for me, I don't want it.
I'm thirsty. See? Been drinking. Woohoo!
You should bật ổi cần.
I follow him, right?
Yeah. Rồi, bé thế. Chưa vào đã. Scrape the ground here. Why is it on break? Oh.
Not bad. I mean, the trail is decent. Need to see outside.
You see the water outside. Smile on your face. It's not that bad.
I'm going over that thing. I don't care.
What one?
So we're going too slow, and now I'm jammed up there. Yep. What do you want to do? A winch, or do you want to strap? I'll probably just strap back. It's going too slow, I guess.
A tree fell. Huh?
Huh?
What is in there? Tree fell.
Mud.
Oh, no.
Stuck in the mud.
Shoot. Close, I think like.
No, I need to see.
Yep, that worked good.
Yep.
Go like follow him so go fast. Oh, you got quite a little bit of stuff. Oh, it's okay. Scribble a bit, it's okay. That thing.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go with it.
Wait, what?
The hair, that's the.
Oh! It was too easy. I will buy a remote for it later.
Yeah,
Using the phone is ridiculous.
yes.
The remote was like
Disconnect.
45 bucks or 50 bucks.
Wow, expensive.
The brand name one, the GoPro one's like 60.
Jesus.
See if we can do this.
Yeah, do that. Where to go? Where to go? Right. Stop right here in front of us. Yes. Shut that noise.
Got mud. Got mud.
Oh my god, look at that. It's so deep.
That would be a good sticker too for the windshield. Window. Ooh, look at the pointy rock.
Yeah, go in the middle.
Before in the sun, though, this is what the kids and everybody did for their class time, is scratch the rock.
I don't want to bash anything at the bottom.
Something stuck in his wheel.
What happened? Somebody pissed off?
Ooh.
You go to the left a little bit. Then I probably could go over the right stone. I just slowly go slowly. And turn. Ooh. Oof. That's what I'm gonna hate the most. It's a little rocky to hit. Oh, this one is kind of hard, so be careful. There's a big rock right there. And then there's a big bump right there, so you have to be so slow. Oof. It's really rocky here, this place right here. Going. Oh, you can go out of the way too, easier.
Yeah. Then there's no challenge.
No, you go to the critical part right here.
You gotta go slow. Trust Mr. Brakey. Just slow. hard right now.
The power brake.
We need to upgrade our brakes. You see if his tiny Jeep can handle that.
Why don't you put the window? Because it's going to splash. I'm scared from this shit. Too fast.
Scraping what?
That probably the still.
I don't know what it's scraping. It's no good. Don't like this
Good,
scraping.
it's like brown and orange. That's like one of those Reese's peanut butter cups.
You can't see something in the bottom, so you're going too fast. You hit something. That's the problem. I mean, it's I hate when I drop. I hate when the car drop like that. It just so. I was like, it's gonna bump.
You
on
can't really
something.
stop because the brake is wet, right?
Yeah.
You're just sliding down. Hold on.
Hold on. I read it.
You can actually hit the tree if you don't be careful, right? This spot. Go slow. Good dirt, huh? We for your garden right here.
Oh, more mud up there. What is it? Light off.
Ooh, there's a fucking damn thing over there.
Shit.
Holy shit.
That's gonna be hard. I'm going to wait until it goes.
Oh fuck.
There you go. Come on, don't stop. There you go. Don't stop. Let's go.
I'm gonna go slow first.
We made it. Okay, bye. Crazy. And this is another part right here. It's also crazy too.
Open window. Oh. Open window. This side. Oh. It hit the bottom.
It's fine.
Muddy mud. Of all mud. Got mud. Oh man.
You know how to do that.
Got mud. Good mud for the plant though.
Oh my god, look at your mirror.
It's okay, baby. Ha. Ha.
Another crazy. Right.
Tell me when to turn.
Turn it. So you can turn it on. It's another story. Oh, for your four wheels, it's gonna be tough. This is gonna be hard. This one, go left. You're gonna hit it. Oh, so close. Okay, good. You gotta go to the right a little bit so you can.
Close the mirror. Close the mirror. That mirror.
Ew. Yo. Jeez. It's fun here.
I'm gonna hump it.
Why don't you put your mirror? Oh, slow down. You can hit a tree. Oh, you got it.
Oh! Oh! I've been looking at it. Same thing, isn't it? Stuck.
Made it look easy. Except there. Except there.
It's not done yet.
The tree's roots. Yeah, that's it. You did it.
Okay. I kind of come this way, situation, and just get on. He's got the horsepower.
Oh, you're hitting the tree.
Yeah, it's straight back up.
Oh, back.
Go back up.
Keep coming.
He's coming. He's coming. Get on the gas. Get on the gas. Keep coming. Keep coming. There you go. You got to keep coming. There you go. Back up just a little bit.
A little bit more.
Give it a good little launch forward from there if you can.
Go, go. Okay, stop.
A little bit to the right if you can. You got to swing it if you can. Give it a bump. There you go. Nice. Nice.
Okay.
Forward if you can. There you go. All right, now back. Back right. Now straight up. Get on the gas. Straight up. Straight up. Get on it. Get on it. Back up a little bit.
He's off course. You might need a winch.
That's kind of the line. If we can you try to bump up from there? Right there, okay. Now try to come, let's see, I would try to cut it hard to the right there. And you want to try to get your front tire, get it spinning and see if you can grab, get a little momentum. Kind of pop hold. Try it again. Right there. Back up just a little bit. It's one of those, the wheels are like in the spots, you know? Yep, all right, right. Well, try it right from there and just kind of try to leap it forward if you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. We don't want to wreck anything on here, you know?
Like right there, right
Yeah,
at the top.
sometimes it's like, you know what? You got crazy on the tire. Just gotta give it some gas and pull it in. Just kind of idle it and pull you right up. Come back a little bit. More, yeah.
You're good.
To the left a little bit. Okay, you're good here. I mean, you're good here. Left, you're good, you're good. Forward.
You record it?
Yeah, I'm recording now. Back a little bit to wake up. Good. Go fast. Come on, you can do it yourself. Oh, fuck. Shit. Good, good. Go to the left a little bit. Okay. Crazy. Left.
Yeah, there you go. Get on the gas. Go, 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 go.
Stop. Stop. Ah, my God.
Wow.
Ah, crazy.
Yeah, they had a good line. It just didn't cut.
Yeah. Good, good.
All right, back up just a little. Yeah, come on. Yeah, how high as you can.
Good. You got it. You got it.
That's a good line. It's the four-door.
Oh my God. That's crazy. What's the challenge? What challenging shit.
No locker.
No locker.
Made it.
Oh my God. That's crazy. I'm gonna go see.
Piece of bark stuck in your tire.
Okay.
You want to take it out, or it might come out. Yeah. That little scuff on it. Right there, yeah.
Or you can wait till afterwards. Don't go home until you get it. I've had people say they'll send it.
You're just right. If I do that again, you know.
Actually, I can't. Well, unless I want to run these trees over.
Well, I can still
What's
hear.
that? That's the 10, that's 2? Oh, okay. I got an old one, but every counter I has something.
You hit it anyway.
Look, there's a tree bomb inside there.
Oh.
In the wheel. Come here.
That's just smashing his differential.
Tire shops.
Yeah, down. You haven't been to number 7 yet. You haven't been to number 7 yet. The last one, number 7 waiting for all one. He made it.
Especially after Rom dug that big hole.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Boleh kat dalam tak? Boleh tak? Crazy.
making it?
I don't know, we'll see. It's gonna be hard then.
Can we make it, baby?
Yeah, it'll be fine here.
Huh? Right there?
Go forward. Oh shit. Your bumper is crazy. But where you stop for? Where you stop? You shouldn't stop. You should go. Good, and then don't stop. Fuck. You're killing your car. It says that. Are you serious?
Hello.
Wait. Oof. That time he dropped is scary.